a commitment to further strengthen the solid ties of friendship and cooperation that unite my country to the Republic of North Macedonia. These values are secondly at the base of important achievements of North Macedonia in opening the way for Macedonian students to take part in the undergraduate and graduate exchange programs offered by Brazilian